So now we're going to look at one of the key features or key areas within the 3D Issue software, which is again under the Design tab, and we're going to have a look at Interactive. So these are all the interactive elements that you can add to the individual pages within your publication. Now you can just simply select over here on the right hand side what page that you want to add your interactivity to. So say we're going to page 4 here, and we're going to add some interactivity to show you what we can do. Now you can automatically see whenever the software has found from your original PDF a URL, it has made the live link without you having to create hotspots or anything around it. So anytime within these pages that there is a URL or an email address, the software will convert it automatically into a live link, which should save a lot of time. However, we can also create further links and email links using the Hotspot tool. So we can go ahead and select this, and if the area is too small for us, we can't quite see, we can just use this zoom feature here in the editing window so we can see what we do. Now you can use the Hotspot tool to cover any area, and as soon as you let go it says, right, when the user clicks in this area, where do you want them to go? To another page in the publication, so simply type a number. Any URL, so perhaps we want to use this feature for this, so I'll just send them to say Google for now. Or you can send them to an email or open up, which we'll show you in a moment, a video, audio or flash. Now you also have these advanced options where you can change the alt or rollover text. So when the user's mouse comes over this area, you can insert some text which will pop up. And you can have this different for every single link, so it really gives you some customization tools for your needs there. So we might have this, see more information on our site. Also in the advanced section you can change the colours of the hotspot. So you have the rollover colour and the rollout colour, so you can change these to absolutely any colour that you like. And you can even play a sound on rollover or rollout. So once we're happy with that, we can select OK. Now a note on those default colours. If you don't want to change the colour every single time, if you want to have a default colour for your hotspots, you can do so by going to Options and Hotspot Settings. And in here you can change your colours to the ones that you want as default all the time for rollover and rollout. You can even change the opacity here, and you can select this apply to all hotspots in issue, just to save you a bit of time. And you can see everything's automatically changed. So that's our hotspot tool for links and URLs. We can also add further interactivity such as video. So let's just zoom out here and go to a page where we're going to add some video. So perhaps this page here, when we might have a video for this property that we want to play. Now we have a few different options for this, which we'll show you. So the first one we have is the embedded video. This means the video is going to play from the set location that you put here. So say I have a video that I want to play from here, and it simply says find your video. So I'll just go and find the video here and select open, and again I have advanced rollover text if I want, and I can even auto start this on page, which I think I'll do for this version, and OK. So that's playing the video from the location. Now you can also have the video play in a pop-up window, so on a layer above the magazine. Now for that you can either have a hotspot or you can have a button to launch that video. So let's do exactly the same video, but we'll have it as a hotspot. So again, we now say video, we go and find our video, and select open. And again, if you want to change any of the rollover text there. So we have a video that's going to play from a hotspot in a separate layer and an embedded video. So let's go ahead and look at those. So here we go, let's go and find this page where we added in our video. And there you can see, as soon as we turn to this page, the video is playing from the location. You can also see our other hotspots that it's picked up from the detected side of things. And that video would have played exactly the same, but in a separate pop-up window. So let's go to a different page and add some further interactivity. So we have buttons such as Go To button, so we might have further information on this property, so I can have a button like this that when they click on goes to page 7. I have a web link button, so if this property has some more information online, I can simply add in here just the URL of that further information. I have a comments button, an email button, a button to launch Flash, or to download a file that I have from another server, and the video which we showed. So also we have audio, so I can add audio to my pages, and let's just show you this one. So if I have audio that I might want to start on a page, I can select my button anywhere on the page, pick my audio file, and I can then have this to automatically start on the page. The other thing you can do, as well as the embedded video, you can have embedded Flash. So if you want someone to turn a page and perhaps you have a graph or a chart that's an interactive graph, you can come to a page and the graph can then start up automatically, giving that real feel of interactivity for your publication. So these are all your interactive elements, and you can just simply go through your pages and pick a tool here and go ahead, click and drag and select your multimedia. And at any time you can go into the preview section to see exactly how that's looking. So that's the Interactivity tab.